Very good morning to our RANsquawk listeners. Welcome to the European opening wrap for today, Wednesday the 23rd of March. Just gone through 10 o'clock and we started off with opening trades, a bit risk averse this morning. Slight deterioration in the situation in Japan's Fukushima nuclear reactors, where further smoke emissions were seen in reactor number 3 in particular, with evacuations in 1, 2 and 3. Also as well, iodine levels were tested in downtown Tokyo metropolitan area and said to be dangerous now for infants into that level of radiation. As such, as well, that coupled with the concerns in the peripheral markets, this of course comes ahead of Portugal's key austerity measure votes, which will come at later on this afternoon, roughly around 3 or 4 o'clock. Results may be after the European close, but expectations are that the opposition parties will call down the proposals of the existing government, and that could prompt the resignation of the current PM Socrates. So something to keep an eye on there. Also as well, in the spreads, particular widening in the Irish spread over German bunds. That came after domestic yield on the 10-year bond in Ireland crossed 10% earlier this morning. Other than that, in terms of economic data, the real focus point has been that of the Bank of England minutes. Had a 6-3 vote in terms of the actual interest rate to be held at 0.5%, which was no change from what we saw last week, or last month I should say. So it hasn't turned any more hawkish in terms of the vote count, and as such, sterling currency did get hit across the board on the back of that release. Looking forward then in terms of the rest of Canada for today, in terms of US economic data, it will be new home sales as well as the DOE all inventory numbers we'll look out for later on. But for the time being, that concludes the opening wrap. We'll have another update at the European cash equity close. Have a great trading day.